Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Viber app. At the bottom, click on Calls. At the top right corner, you'll see an Add People icon. Click on it. Or you can click on More at the bottom right corner. Then go to Add Contact option. Both the option will take you to the same tab, so you can choose either of them. Once the tab has opened, enter the phone number of the person you wish to talk on Viber. If the contact does not have an active account, a pop-up will open up and you can invite the person to join Viber. And if the person does have an active account, then all you have to do is click on the Save Contact button below the information and then click on the Send Message option if you want to send a text, or click on the Free Call to make a phone call. Once you've done this, the person should now be visible in your main tabs. That's pretty much it. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedback. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.